Garlic is one of the oldest and most powerful ingredients in your kitchen. But nothing's worse than reaching for a bulb and finding it sprouted, mushy, or covered in mold. It's a total waste of money and one of the most frustrating things to discover when you're in the middle of a recipe. The good news? With just a few smart tricks, you could keep your garlic perfectly fresh, potent, and ready to use for an entire year, or even longer. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step methods from the ancient art of curing to simple modern preservation hacks that will ensure you never have to throw away bad garlic again. Method 1. Curing and dry storage. This is the most traditional and, frankly, the most important method for storing whole garlic bulbs long-term. If you grow your own garlic, this curing step is non-negotiable. If you buy super fresh, uncured garlic from a farm, this is also for you. But if you buy garlic from the grocery store, then you may not need to do this curing step, because most garlic sold in grocery stores has already been cured. Just a quick reminder that I've made subtitles of this video in different languages, so you can watch this video in the language that you are most comfortable with. And if you don't see your language, please notify me in the comments section, and I'll be sure to include that. Spread the garlic in a single layer on a screen or a wire rack, making sure none of the bulbs are touching. Good airflow is your best friend here. This curing process must be done in a spot that is shady, dry, and has excellent air circulation. So a covered porch, a breezy garage, or an open shed is perfect. The key is to keep it out of direct sunlight, which can literally cook the garlic and ruin its flavor. Let the garlic cure for anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. You'll know it's ready when the outer skins are crinkly and papery, the roots are shriveled up, and the stem right above the bulb is completely dry and hard. Now to storage. There are two main types of garlic, and they store a little different. White garlic or soft neck has a milder flavor and is such a great keeper. You can store this for 6 to 9 months or even a year with basic care. The purple garlic or hard neck has a more complex flavor, but usually only lasts for about 4 to 6 months before they start to dry out or sprout. But with curing, they can store much longer than that, because curing helps them create a dry, papery barrier that locks in flavor and locks out moisture. Grab your cured garlic and store it in breathable containers, like a mesh bag or a wicker basket. You can also just make breathable bags from a paper bag by making holes in them. For the storage place, choose a place that is cool, dark, and dry, which has a temperature of 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and low to moderate humidity, but not humid. A pantry, a cool basement, or dark cupboard will work great. This curing and storage method will keep your garlic fresh on end, and you will keep pulling fresh garlic month after month. Remember that the absolute worst place to store whole garlic is the fridge. The cold, moist air is a direct signal for it to start sprouting. Also, never ever store fresh garlic in a plastic bag or a sealed container at room temperature. That's a one-way ticket to a moldy, rotten mess. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. Method 2. Preserving garlic in the freezer. Freezing is a fantastic and ridiculously easy way to preserve garlic for up to a year. It works for any kind of garlic at any stage. Freezing will change the texture. The garlic will be softer when it thaws, but it preserves the flavor beautifully, which makes it perfect for any cooked dish. There are a few ways to tackle this. First, you can freeze whole, unpeeled cloves. Just break the bulb apart, toss the unpeeled cloves into a freezer-safe bag, and you're done. When you need them, the peels slip right off. Second, freeze whole peeled cloves. If you hate peeling garlic like I do, then this is a simple trick I use to get them peeled faster. Break the garlic bulb apart, and then place the unpeeled cloves in a bowl. Cover with a board and shake it for about a minute or so. All the peels come off. What is your secret to peeling garlic faster? Let us know in the comments. You can store the peeled garlic in freezer bags, and now you have a ready-to-go garlic anytime. Next up is my meal prep secret weapon, garlic puree. Pulse some peeled garlic in a food processor. Spread the puree in a thin layer inside a freezer bag. Use the back of a knife to create some lines, so it's easy to break apart when frozen. Method 3. The tangy preserve. Simply place some peeled garlic in a mason jar and top it with either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar until it's completely submerged, while leaving about a ½ inch of space at the top. Seal it up and pop into the fridge. The garlic needs to hang out in the vinegar solution for at least a week to get really flavorful, but you can sneak a taste after a few days. This garlic is great for use in condiments for salads or for your dish. And the garlic-infused vinegar solution is great to tenderize meats. Where are you watching me from? Let's connect from around the world. Comment your city or country in the comments. And there you have it. 3 proven methods to keep your garlic fresh and ready to use all year long. You'll never have to toss out a spoiled bulb again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. And now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to way to store garlic? Do you have a secret family method I didn't cover? Drop it in the comments below. I love reading every single one and like learning from you all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.